Supercars. On a budget, 10 high-performance cars. You can actually afford think. Supercars are just a pipe dream? Think again. You don't need a billionaire's bank account to roar down the road in a high-octane machine. Buckle up, because we're about to shift your perceptions into high gear. Hey there, speed enthusiasts and dream car aficionados. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, the ultimate pit stop for those who crave the thrill of the drive without emptying their wallets. Today we're turbocharging through a world where adrenaline meets affordability. That's right, we're talking supercars on a shoestring budget. Who said you need to be a lottery winner or a tech mogul to enjoy the sleek lines, roaring engines, and spine-tingling speeds of a supercar? We're here to show you the fast lane doesn't just belong to the ultra-wealthy. From hidden gems to underrated powerhouses, we're unveiling 10 high-performance cars that deliver the supercar experience minus the eye-watering price tag. So grab your helmets and let's hit the road to discover how you can get behind the wheel of your dream car without breaking the bank. Let's rev up those engines and dive into the world of budget-friendly speed demons. Chevrolet Corvette. Supercar thrills without the supercar bills. When it comes to blending high performance with surprisingly accessible pricing, the Chevrolet Corvette races ahead of the pack. Renowned for its sleek aerodynamic design and heart-thumping power, the Corvette offers an intoxicating mix of speed and style. The latest models boast an engine that sends shivers down the spine of even the most seasoned drivers, delivering 0 to 60 miles per hour sprints in just a blink over 3 seconds depending on the configuration. But it's not just about raw speed. The Corvette's handling, with its near-perfect weight distribution, makes it a joy to drive on twisty roads and race tracks alike. What sets the Corvette apart is how it manages to deliver these supercar-level thrills without the eye-watering price tag usually associated with its European counterparts. Owners rave about the value for money, often citing the Corvette as the best bang-for-your-buck sports car on the market. Real-world footage of the car tearing up asphalt, coupled with glowing testimonials from those who've had the pleasure of taming this beast, paint a vivid picture of a car that's as thrilling to drive as it is to behold. Ford Mustang GT, the iconic American muscle. The Ford Mustang GT holds a special place in the heart of car enthusiasts, embodying the spirit of American muscle cars with its bold design, roaring V8 engine, and an aura that's both rebellious and refined. The Mustang GT's power is nothing short of legendary, delivering exhilarating performance that makes it a standout in its class. What makes the Mustang GT so appealing is its ability to offer this robust performance at a price point that remains within reach of a broader audience. It's a car that doesn't just drive fast, it makes a statement while doing so. On the road or the track, the Mustang GT is a head-turner with its aggressive stance and the unmistakable rumble of its engine. Owners love its blend of traditional muscle car charm with modern technology and comfort, making it not just a car to drive, but an experience to savor. Dodge Challenger SRT, Muscle Car Majesty. The Dodge Challenger SRT is a modern incarnation of muscle car heritage, boasting an imposing presence and power that can intimidate even the most exotic of supercars. With horsepower figures that can soar into the stratosphere, the Challenger SRT is a testament to raw, unbridled power. Its design harks back to the golden age of muscle cars, yet it stands tall in the modern era with cutting-edge technology and performance enhancements. The roar of the SRT's engine is a call to arms for those who appreciate the symphony of a high-performance powertrain. Drag race clips showcasing the Challenger SRT's blistering acceleration and formidable presence on the quarter-mile strip highlight its dominance in the realm of straight-line speed. This car isn't just about going fast, it's about making a statement with every rev of the engine. Nissan 370Z, the agile athlete. The Nissan 370Z captures the essence of what a sports car should be: nimble, quick, and a blast to drive. Its sporty design, with sharp lines and an aggressive stance, wraps around a cockpit that's all about engaging the driver in the driving experience. The 370Z's performance is characterized by its responsive handling and brisk acceleration, making it a favorite among those who love to feel connected to the road. Its V6 engine provides a sweet balance of power and responsiveness, allowing for tight cornering and spirited drives. The 370Z shines not just in its performance, but in how it makes that performance accessible to a wide range of drivers. Clips of the 370Z zipping through corners and sprinting down straightaways demonstrate its athletic prowess, offering a driving experience that's as exhilarating as it is accessible. Mazda MX-5 Miata, the joy of open-top driving. The Mazda MX-5 Miata is more than just a car. It's a celebration of open-top driving, delivering pure joy and exhilaration with every mile. Known for its lightweight design and exceptional handling, the Miata reminds us that a car doesn't need to be overwhelmingly powerful to be utterly enjoyable. It's the embodiment of the less is more philosophy, providing a driving experience that's both intimate and invigorating. The joy of driving a convertible sports car like the Miata lies in the connection it fosters between the driver, the car, and the environment. Whether it's a scenic drive along the coast or a spirited jaunt on a winding mountain mountain road, the Miata's agility and responsiveness make every journey memorable. Showcasing the Miata in its element, top-down, sun shining, and carving through curves, captures the essence of what makes this car a timeless classic in the realm of affordable performance vehicles. Are you feeling the need for speed yet, or are we just fueling your daydreams? Drop a comment below and let us know which of these budget-friendly speed demons you'd take for a spin around the block, or better yet, around the track. And if you've got a lead foot, don't forget to hit that like button as if it's the gas pedal. Subaru BRZ Toyota 86, the dynamic duo of drift. In the world of affordable sports cars, the Subaru BRZ and Toyota 86 stand out as a testament to what collaboration between automotive giants can achieve. Born from the minds of Subaru and Toyota, this tag team offers a purist approach to driving pleasure with their impeccable balance and rear-wheel drive layout. The magic lies in their low center of gravity, courtesy of the horizontally opposed engine, which makes every turn a thrilling dance. These cars are not about raw power, they're about harmony between man, machine, and road. Enthusiasts adore the BRZ and 86 for their ability to gracefully slide through corners with poise, making them a common sight in drifting circles. Clips of these cars, tail out and tires smoking, showcase not just their agility, but the joy they bring to the art of driving. Volkswagen Golf GTI, the quintessential hot hatch. The Volkswagen Golf GTI is more than just a car. It's an icon that has defined the hot hatch genre for decades. Renowned for blending performance with practicality, the GTI continues to be the benchmark for a segment it helped create. Its turbocharged engine delivers punchy performance that belies its practical, unassuming hatchback silhouette. But the GTI is not just about going fast. It's about bringing exhilaration to the everyday. Inside, the cabin is a testament to German engineering, offering a level of refinement and technological sophistication that makes every drive an event. Urban driving footage not only highlights the GTI's agility in tight spaces, but also its ability to be the perfect companion for the daily grind, proving that you don't have to sacrifice fun for functionality. Hyundai Veloster N, the quirky contender. Hyundai's foray into the hot hatch arena with the Veloster N has been nothing short of a revelation. With its asymmetrical door layout and bold design, the Veloster N refuses to blend into the crowd, but it's under the hood where the real magic happens. The turbocharged engine, mated to a finely tuned chassis, makes the Veloster N a force to be reckoned with on the track. Hyundai's commitment to performance is evident in every aspect of the Veloster N, from its aggressive exhaust note to its track-ready suspension setup. Track footage of the Veloster N tearing up the asphalt, combined with a deep dive into its performance tuning features, paints a picture of a car that's serious about delivering thrills. Audi TT, the pinnacle of poise. The Audi TT is a masterclass in how to combine sophisticated design with all-wheel drive performance. Its timeless silhouette is instantly recognizable, embodying Audi's commitment to elegance and innovation. The TT's interior is a sanctuary of luxury, where technology and comfort converge to create an unparalleled driving experience. But the TT is not just a pretty face. Its performance credentials are solid, thanks to Audi's legendary Quattro system that ensures grip in all conditions. Driving footage of the TT, gracefully navigating winding roads and cityscapes, illustrates not just the car's agility, but its ability to be both a sports car and a daily driver. The Audi TT proves that sophistication and performance can go hand in hand, offering a driving experience that's as refined as it is exhilarating. BMW M2, the compact powerhouse. The BMW M2 is a distillation of everything that makes the Bavarian Marque's M division legendary. Compact in size but colossal in spirit, the M2 is a throwback to the days when driving pleasure was measured in miles per mile. Its turbocharged engine delivers explosive performance, propelling the M2 with a ferocity that belies its diminutive dimension. But the M2 is more than just a fast car. It's a precision tool, honed by BMW's motorsport heritage to deliver a driving experience that's both visceral and refined. Dynamic driving clips of the M2, showcasing its prowess on both road and track, underscore BMW's commitment to building cars that are not just about transport, but about the joy of driving. The M2 is a reminder that in the right hands, a compact car can leave a big impression on the hearts of driving enthusiasts. And there you have it, speed aficionado. If this ride through Adrenaline Alley got your heart racing, why stop now? Shift your excitement into overdrive and subscribe to Car Computer Exchange for more turbocharged content that'll keep your automotive passions fueled. Don't let your dreams idle. Hit that subscribe button and join us on the fast track to fun.